Hello students, our next topic is construct the FA that accept the strings where the fourth symbol from left hand is always A. Fourth symbol from left hand, fourth symbol 1, 2, 3, fourth symbol from left hand always A. What about the fifth, sixth? No restriction. What is the X? X it can either A or B here. First symbol comes A or B, second symbol A or B, third symbol A or B, fourth symbol must be what? A only. Always A from left hand. So for which we need to construct the FA. So simply Q0 initial state, Q0 on A or B, it can go to Q1. Q1 or A comma B, this is Q2. Q2 on A comma B, Q3. How many symbols over? This is 3 symbols, correct or not? 1, 2, 3, and fourth symbol must be what? A only, Q4. This must be accept. What about the fifth symbol? The fifth symbol could be any number of A's and B's here. Are you getting my point? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. And fifth symbol, this fourth symbol should, if B comes, that must be rejected for any number of A's and B's. Yes, this is simple FA for this. Now, how many states we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many states we got? 6. The 6 is nothing but 4 plus 2. Can I write it or not? See, fourth symbol 4 plus 2. Third symbol 3 plus 2. Previously we got 5 states. That is 3 plus 2. Now 6 state we got 4 plus 2. That way you can understand. So now generalization what? If the nth symbol from left hand is always A, nothing but what? N plus 2 states only. You can note down here. Construct the FA that accept the all strings of A's and B's where nth symbol from left hand is always A is nothing but what? N plus 2 states will get. That is the default thing you can understand. I hope you are getting all of you. Please do note down. Thank you all of you.